As the second quarter estimated tax deadline for 2024 rapidly approaches on June 17th, the IRS is reminding taxpayers of the potential penalties for failing to make timely payments. Filers with income from self-employment, gig economy work, small businesses, investments, and other sources without automatic tax withholdings must make estimated tax payments to avoid penalties. This group includes a wide array of taxpayers, from freelancers and contract workers to those who have taken large distributions from pre-tax individual retirement accounts or reaped significant profits from asset sales. Certified financial planner Kelly Renner from Life Strategies Financial Partners in Augusta, Georgia, points out that even those who do not consider themselves traditional business owners may still need to make these quarterly payments. Who needs to pay estimated taxes? You need to make estimated tax payments if you expect to owe at least $1,000 in taxes on your 2024 return. This situation commonly applies to individuals with income that is not subject to withholding, such as earnings from self-employment, freelancing, or gig economy jobs. Additionally, income from small businesses, significant investment gains, and large retirement account distributions can necessitate these payments. Avoiding penalties, safe harbor rules. To steer clear of late payment penalties, taxpayers can rely on the IRS's safe harbor rules. According to Shania Wilson, a certified public accountant and founder of Fola Financial in New York, these rules allow you to avoid penalties by paying either 90% of your current year's tax liability or 100% of the previous year's taxes, whichever is smaller. However, for those with an adjusted gross income, AGI, of $150,000 or more in 2023, the threshold increases to 110% of the previous year's taxes. Meeting the deadlines. The IRS has set the following deadlines for the 2024 tax year: April 15th, June 17th, September 16th, and January 15th, 2025. Missing these deadlines can trigger penalties calculated based on the current interest rate and the balance due. Therefore, it is crucial to meet these dates to avoid unnecessary financial penalties. Rapid income growth considerations. For taxpayers expecting rapid income growth in 2024, it is especially important to work with a tax professional. Wilson advises that a proper tax plan and projection can help manage your tax liabilities effectively and ensure you are not caught off guard by a large tax bill at the end of the year. Making payments, methods, and tips. The IRS emphasizes that the most secure, fastest, and easiest way to make estimated tax payments is online. Options include using your online IRS account, IRS Direct Pay, or the U.S. Department of the Treasury's Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, EFTPS. Each of these methods allows for quick and secure transactions, making it easier to stay on top of your tax obligations. For those who prefer traditional methods, mailing payments is still an option. However, experts suggest using certified mail with a return receipt. This method provides proof of your on-time payment and ensures your payment is tracked until it reaches the IRS. Practical advice and final reminder. Certified financial planners and tax professionals like Kelly Renner and Shania Wilson agree that having an IRS online account can simplify the process of making payments and reconciling transactions. It's a valuable tool for every taxpayer, providing easy access to payment histories and account information. In conclusion, as the June 17th deadline approaches, it's crucial to review your tax situation and ensure you've made the necessary estimated payments. By adhering to the safe harbor rules and meeting the quarterly deadlines, you can avoid penalties and stay compliant with IRS requirements. Taking these steps not only helps you avoid unnecessary financial burdens, but also ensures you are prepared for any income changes throughout the year. Stay proactive and informed to manage your tax obligations effectively. Remember, the second quarter estimated tax payment deadline is June 17th. Mark your calendar and make your payment on time to avoid any penalties.